This episode is about an island country, abound in mythical creatures, lush green meadows, picturesque castles and pubs. It has also lent its legacy to a certain coffee and a liquor. Today, we travel to this unique country, Ireland.
Like the other episodes of this season, we will delve into the etymology of this beautiful and bountiful country. We will discover what lies hidden under the layers of forlorn stories and fables.
So, let's rumble.
Ireland has been a fertile and rich land, and hence invaded multiple times. But these invasions are not any ordinary invasions. These invasions are by mythological beings, and the invaders were Caesar, Partholon, Nemed, Firbolg, followed by Tuatha de Danann and Milesians.
It is believed that the Milesians are the people who last invaded the land and are ancestors of the modern day Irish people.
Now, when the Milesians invaded the land, it was being ruled by the Dananns, who then decided to discuss the issue to reach an amicable solution. And they did. Whereas Milesians continued to rule the present day Ireland as we know it, the Dananns decided to move to an alternate plane which existed under the earth and settled there for the rest of eternity.
During the invasion, three Danann sisters, Eriu, Banba and Fodla, all met the Milesians and helped them in the endeavor to build a home for themselves. However, Eriu was the most hospitable. Eriu met the Milesians in the sacred hills of Uisneach. To return the favor, the Milesians named the country after Eriu. Over the period of time and with slight corruption of the name, Eriu land became Ireland.
An interesting part is that even to date, the festival of Bealtaine is held in the hills of Uisneach, and the festival is all about creating the blessings of Eriu, who is considered to have been buried in the same hills of Uisneach.
It is so riveting to realize that we often overlook the deep mythological connections behind the seemingly simple and commonplace names. But the moment we decide to look critically and go a level deeper, we land in time-transcended world of mythology, which is intriguing and exciting at the same time.
Namo Deyam Eva Satyam.